If you want to look more professional online, one of the easiest upgrades you can make is setting up a business email with your own domain name. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a professional business email using your Namecheap domain name, and I'll walk you through the full process step by step, including how to create the mailbox, log in, and test that everything is working properly. This is perfect if you want a clean email like info, contact, sales, or even your own name instead of using a personal Gmail address. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software guides like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, log into your Namecheap dashboard. Once you're inside your account, make sure you're in the right domain area because this setup needs to be done from the domain connected to your business email. On the left side menu, look for private email and click Manage. This is where Namecheap lets you create and control your email mailboxes for your domain. After that, click Create Mailbox. Now you'll need to enter the mailbox margin name you want to use. This could be something professional like info, contact, support, sales, hello, or your own name if you want a personal brand email. Try to choose a name that matches the purpose of your business because this is the part people will see when they receive your messages. Next, set a secure password for the mailbox. Make sure it's strong and not easy to guess because this email account may contain important business messages, client inquiries, or login confirmations. A strong password should include a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols if possible. Now configure the mailbox storage. Depending on your needs, you can choose the storage amount that works best for your business email use. If you expect to send and receive a lot of messages, it's a good idea to give yourself enough space so your inbox doesn't fill up too quickly. Once everything looks right, click Save Changes. At this point, your mailbox is created and ready to use. The next step is to log into the mailbox. You'll see a login option next to the mailbox name, so click that. Then enter the email address and password you just created. After signing in, you should now be inside your new business inbox. This is the best part because now you have a branded email connected to your domain instead of a generic free email account. Once you're logged in, it's time to confirm that everything works correctly. Send a test email to another email address that you can access, like a personal Gmail account or another inbox you own. After sending it, check that other inbox and reply to the message. This simple test confirms that both sending and receiving are working as they should. If the message arrives and you can reply without any issues, then your professional email setup is successful. This is a great foundation for your business, especially if you're building trust with customers, clients, or subscribers. A domain-based email makes your brand look more credible, more organized, and more established. It's one of those small changes that can make a big difference in how professional your business appears. If this video helped you set up your Namecheap business email, please give it a like. Subscribe for more tutorials and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.